Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question. This is a question we have. October 2011, 41 variant question number one. Okay, what a question is: Abdullah and Jasmine bought a car of by the nine for $9,000. So Abdullah said 45% and paid. Abdullah paid 45% of the 9,000, and Jasmine paid the rest. Okay, how much Jasmine paid towards the cost of the car? So naturally, what is the technique? We can do two ways. We can find 45% of 9,000 by Abdullah and subtract from 9,000. Okay, is one choice. Or if I say, okay, I'll do both. So let's go for Abdullah. So I'm writing here two titles, percentage and dollar sign. So this is called full amount. This is called full amount. And full amount, we always take what? 100%, make sure. So I will take it $9,000 in front of $9,000. I will write 100 here. But how much Abdullah is paying? 45%. So I'm writing 45%. And here A for Abdullah's amount. This is a one technique. And I'm going to do it. And A times to 100. So I'm writing the working even. A times to 100 and equals to this, multiply with that. So 9,000 times to 45 is very, very clear. The 100 will go down and these two zeros will cancel with that two zeros. And finally, I get 90 times to 45. The money of Abdullah is very, very clear, $4050. So from 9,000 subtract, so how much Jasmine will pay? So naturally, this is a Jasmine will pay how much? Okay, so from 9,000, you must subtract 4050. Okay, when I subtract, so from 9,000, we get a $4950. I think this is a clear approach. Or second option, if you want to save the time, save the time. How you can save the time? Rather than writing 45 here, my question, if Abdullah percentage is what? Abdullah percentage is a 45. What is Jasmine percentage? So out of 100, subtract 45. Okay, so this becomes 55%. We can write directly 55% here and cross multiply. So no need of long working, right? Okay, because to save your knowledge, just for knowledge and save the time, I'm doing the other way also. So this is one thing in your knowledge. And now I'm doing the another way. Another way is what I am writing here. I am writing here not 45. I'm writing here 55 because for Jasmine percentage, and directly will answer. And I'm writing not A, I'm writing here J for Jasmine. So J is multiply with 100 and 9,000 multiply with a 4055. This will down. So this will go down $9,000 into 55 over 100. Okay, these two zeros cancel out, not three zeros, two cancel out. And if I type in 90 into 55 divided by 100, divided by nothing because it's cancelled. So it gives you directly answer 4950. You see, it save our time. So I taught this concept in two ways. Idea is clear. So let's talk about the next part. Write down the ratio of the payment Abdullah in Jasmine's simplest form. Abdullah's payment is very, very clear. You know it. Okay, from this one, if I this is a 4950 or Jasmine. So I'm writing here under this Jasmine 4950. And from 9,000, if you subtract 4950, so I'm subtracting. So it is a very clear 9,000 minus 4950. So 4050. This is Abdullah's amount. So I'm writing here Abdullah's amount before. Best technique, we have a two technique without calculator, with calculator. Calculator save over time. Simple type in calculator 4050 and 4950. And if I'm going to type parallel with you, you can check it please. If I type it 4950, wait a minute, yeah, wait, 4050, yeah. So I get 9 over 11. So no waste of time. Simple right here, 9 ratio 11. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I believe the point is very, very clear. So we can save our time just simply using your calculator. Okay, so this part is very clear. And sometimes students getting not 9 over 11, they get in decimal. How decimal? 0.818181 like that. So there's special key available in the calculator to convert it back, shift and a special sign available. But anyway, I think you understand what I'm saying. Let's talk about the next part. Next part is a very important part. Last year, the cost this much is to run the car. Okay. Abdullah and Jasmine and other son of Henry share this cost in this much ratio. Repeat. Abdullah's is 8, Jasmine is 3, and son is 1. So I'm writing on the top title A, J, and S for son. Okay. So total cost of the running the car is this much. Okay. So amount each paid to run the car. So it's not a hard job. I will do in this step. So look at here. I'm writing here dollar sign. I'm writing here percentage. Oh no, no ratio. Sorry, not percentage. R. Just write R or write ratio. Repeat dollar sign and ratio. What is method? This is called total amount. Total amount is called and total amount and total ratio. What is total ratio? If you add them all, 8 plus 3, 12, 11 plus 1, 12. So 12 rate. So it means I repeat again, total ratio, total amount, right in front of each other. Right in front of each other. So 2, 2, 5, 6, and I'm writing here 12. I think it is clear. And now I'm looking for Abdullah's amount. Abdullah is 8 ratio. And I'm writing here A, cross multiply. And you know it very well, A multiply with a 12. So 12 times 2A and 8 multiply with a 2, 2, 5, 6. So this will go and divide and I write direct answer. So it means 8 times 2, 2, 2, 5, 6 and divided by 12. My answer is coming $1504. Alhamdulillah, Abdullah's amount, I got it. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Now, this is clear. Now I'll go for a Jasmine, the middle one, 3. Same values, everything same. So I write it simple and clear. I'm writing here, wait a minute, I'm writing here. Okay, total money, total ratio, right in front of each other. 2, 2, 5, 6, and 12. Okay, I'm looking for, because Jasmine is ratio is 3, I write 3, and J for Jasmine cross multiply. So 3 times to this and J times to 12. And I believe you got my point. 12 times to J equal to 3 times to 2250. And this 12 will divide, and I'm typing directly in my calculator rather than I'm showing in the notebook, in the solution, sorry. Let me check 2250 into 3 divided by 12. Yeah, it is giving me Jasmine's amount in dollar $562.5. I think up till here, idea is very clear. All right. So this is a clear. And hold on. Once again, I check. Wait a minute, please. Oh, sorry. This is a 5.6, not 5.0. I typed 5.0 in calculator by mistake. This is a 5.0. This is a 5.6, sorry. 5.6. I typed 5.0. So I think now correction is done and typing error. So this means 564 is the right answer. Okay, 564 is the right answer for the Jasmine. Now, if I add them both and subtract from there, look, I show you here. 2256, if you add them both, so it means 1504 subtract and 564 subtract. I'll get what answer? I'm getting 2256 minus 1504 and minus 564. So my answer is coming $188 for the Henry. I think all points clear. Let's go to the most important part of the question, and that is a new truck cost is this much money and loses 23 every year, okay? And how much value after 3 years? Let me tell you, whenever this kind of question come, mobile depreciation rate, property increasing, okay? So this is called compound interest. It's always compound interest. However, the compound interest formula, P times to 1 plus R by 100. But here, because loss, I will not write plus, I will write minus. Okay, and here. So investment, how much for the truck? So 15,000 total. And rate of loss is 23% per month, per year, sorry. And time is a 3 year. So let's find at the end of the 3 year, how much he has left behind. So 15,000 times 2 1 minus 23 divided by 100 and power is 3. So when I type in calculator, I get $6,847.995. So this is after the 3 years. After 3 years, the money left behind is this much. But did he ask for this? Yeah, after this is okay. This is done. 6,847. If I round it, because it's the exact answer, it's not changing. So I'm writing as it is. I think this part is very clear. Okay, but now he's asking overall loss. So first of all, we have to write 2 titles. Title is dollar sign and percentage. For your knowledge, let me tell you, this is called original money or old. Let me write here. Old, the previous, okay, okay. And cost price, all these be taken always 100%. Okay, so this $15,000 I will take as a 100%. So $15,000 I will take as a full amount. Okay, but problem is that how much loss I will find it. What is the technique to get it? So percentage is the X loss. So I'm writing loss percentage. But thing is that how much loss? So from 50,000 subtract this money. So how much loss? And loss I'm writing now here. So from $15,000 subtract 6847.995. So I will get a loss. So let me check it. 15,000 subtract this one. I get a loss is 8152.005. This is a loss. So this is a loss. I want to check it. It is equal to how much percentage? So this is multiplying with L and this multiplied there. So L times 2 15,000 and 8152.005 times 200. And this will this value will divide. So it means 8152.005 into 100 divided by 15,000. Okay, it will give us a percentage loss. So let's find it. So I'm going to do it in simple, divided by 15,000, and loss is coming 54.3. So 54.3467%. And right at 3SF, we can write even exact also 54.3% loss, which we have final. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. The question is completely over.